A long time ago, when I became interested in the market geometry, I noticed that for any instrument, whether it is shares, currencies or commodities, there is a certain geometric regularity for any instrument that repeats over and over again on any time frame. Salam alaikum, tanti saluti, bonjour, good day to you, Günaydin. This is Mario from Fxotherway, the channel for traders run by a trader. How's it going today, my friend? Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020, and it seems that the worst issue with COVID-19 is over at the moment. Well, the economies are opening and I hope soon it will be business as usual. Obviously, long term, it will have an enormous impact on our life due to huge unemployment rate and complete lockdown of all the industries all over the world. But, well, let's go to the subject first. In today's video, I'd like to share with you a method that I call the balance angle. You will not find this method on the internet or in trading books because it's a method that I have created myself. So if you want to know how it works, watch this video carefully to the end, because I'm convinced that this method will definitely be very helpful in your future trading. So let's start the rock and roll. In the past, long time ago, when I was studying Japanese candles, I discovered a pattern on which I noticed that some patterns, some points on the trend connected to each other, there are some extremely important points of the trend which creates a line that very often has the same angle in degree. So as W.D. Gann used to say that the future is the repetition of the past, I realized it's something in the middle, this geometric similarity. So let's go straight to the chart. At the moment, I'm on Great British Pound US Dollar daily chart. At the moment, first thing you have to do, you have to fix it just to not rescale. So go to Properties, just check this one, scale fix, and it will be okay. Well, the most important issue is to find the right angle of balance, and well, it's not that difficult. You have to just get a little bit of practice. I'll show you how I do it. I do it this way. So we draw a line from this bottom to this top, as example, because it's nearly the same like this one. Is it the same or not? Let's check it. Let's check it. It is the same or not. From the very bottom to the very top, we got 35.9 degree. Let's move it somewhere here. We've got it. It works. This bottom and this top, they are connected. They are connected like that. Here we go. So you got the line. If we got such a situation, in the future, that pattern should repeat somehow. It should cover future tops, which will happen. Let's check it. So we got up to here, we just measured the line. The bottom already existing here, this one, we can check this line and go further. As you see, it hit the top here. We got another bottom here. Let's move it here. It was a trend line, a strong resistance point, strong support line. Let's try this one. It works. Look at this one. Look how it works, lovely. So, the line drawn here shown us exactly the same pattern here. So the future was the repetition of the past. But it's not the end of the story. Let's go further. Let's see what we can do with that. So we got the balance angle here, so we might presume that here and here time and price squared. If they squared, we can draw a rectangle here. From here just to here rectangle. Here we go. What happens now? If we put this rectangle here too far, this candle, just to this green candle, to the top candle, that was the top of the market, you might realize that it has shown us over here right roughly the bottom of the market. Well, what do you think? What would be the next bottom or top? We don't know yet. But if we go straight to the bottom, to the lowest point of this candle, which was the bottom, let's adjust it like this, and drag the line here, we might get the local top. And as you see here, this point was a strong support for the trend, which tried to reverse over here and just couldn't, and bam, and it continued up to here. Even more, the previous bottoms all along this downtrend, you might check that like this one didn't work, but another bottom shown the top in the future. Another bottom showed the closing point in the future. Another bottom, which one was that one, just divided in half this trend. So let's go back here and let's try to do other thing. Let's leave the square. If this line worked here and that was the bottom, we might presume, let's delete it, we might presume that another line from here to here, it will be an angle of balance. So let's do it this way. Let's draw the angle of balance in the downtrend. Is it alright? It should be okay. Alright. What happens with our angle of balance? Did it work in the past? We might check it. Let's have a butcher's. It did. From this top to this bottom, the market balanced. Before, or whenever we check it, did it balance somewhere? It did. Here, it did. Here, no. But here it worked. It was resistance point, the market came, so it was respected somehow. As you realize, from this top you got two lines here, so this angle must be important as well. So this angle here, this angle shows where the price and time are in balance, the place where is possible reversal point. So let's try to check it. What happens? Next stop, no reversal point. Next stop, spot on. This line of angle of balance shown exactly this huge downtrend, this huge waterfall here. What about the next one? Did it show something? Yes, it did. Here is the point of support. Here was the point of resistance. Let's check the next one. Did it show something? Well, not very much. What about this one? This one, it shows that somewhere here exists a resistance point. If it will be broken, the market will go further up. But it is very likely, if other indicators show you that the market is overbought, probably it will be continuation of this trend. And the continuation would be as long as this value. Let me draw for you a line here. Is it this one? Let's do it ray. trendline properties parameters. Okay, so probably the market would fall another couple of pips if it happens, if it decides to fall. So it will be somewhere there. We don't know what the value is over there. But that's the issue. What do you think about it? Does it make sense? Please write me in your opinion in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Watch my other videos. Bye bye.